Heading inside the market. Cucumber black fungus. What is the name of it? Okay. I don't like. Try it first. Prawn cutlet. This is beef short rib. Then this is corn cutlet. That's roasted duck with orange sauce. Okay. Fried. Should I have crabs or should I have lobsters? Or should I have prawns? I really don't know what to eat actually. Or should I start from this side? Or should I have the eggplant, prawn cutlet, short ribs? Oh, the big crabs. So many. Fried nuts. Tom yum, masamad chicken, beef rendang, and then we have the Singaporean deep fried chicken. I like this one. I think I would eat this one. The Market, one of Hong Kong's most renowned and popular hotel buffet restaurants, the Market's open kitchen served the world on a plate through a buffet of international classics, from antipasti to laksas, curries to grilled meats, all freshly prepared by chefs who come from the respective countries they represent. The market is inspired by iconic food markets of Asia and Europe, with their vibrant atmosphere, tempting displays, enticing aromas, and abundant fresh produce. Enjoy a full buffet at the market, voted as the best Hong Kong buffet for 8 years, running by Open Rice, the city's most popular dining guide. With separate sections including a delicatessen, sashimi, and sushi, Hong Kong Eastern and Western cuisine, not to mention a breathtaking dessert selection, there's something for everyone. For those special occasions, the market's private dining room seats 15 people in sleek comfort. Conran and Partners also designed the market, inspired by the iconic wet markets of Hong Kong. The market-style eatery features open kitchens and smooth tones, while the outdoor terrace, with its comfortable sofas and tropical plants, are the perfect al fresco retreat. But why there's no sauce?
Yeah, there's no sauce.
Oh, that one, the one with the sauce.
This one?
Yeah, the one with the sauce. Put it on top of, on side of this. Only few. I just wanted. It's wrong. Okay. Come on. Let's move. Maybe this one. What do you think?
You want?
No?
Or you want
Or this one? Singaporean with coconut chicken.
You want this one?
Yeah, yeah. Small portion. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that one.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. And just put some sauce. Oh my gosh, it's oil. You don't know how to. But I don't, yeah, okay. Put in a, no. We need to use this one, right?
Yeah, but I don't have.
No need. But even that one, you have again. What else? This one, I want this. This one, yeah, this one. Only one. Okay. What's this? I don't like that one.
Do you want lasa?
No, I don't want. What I have? Oh, that prawns.
Where?
Prawns, only one. Here. Here. Okay. On this one. Small, yeah.
Only one?
Two. Okay. Oh, this one. I don't like that one. I had it already. Okay. One?
You want two?
Okay, two. Okay. Okay, come on.
You want some sashimi?
You want?
I don't. No, I don't need.
No, I don't want. want dessert?
Yeah, yeah.
Durian. Can you get one for me?
This one?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it would fall. Here. Here. Okay. Halo-halo na naman itong aking kinakain. Okay. Sige, babalik na ako. I didn't open again. Okay. Okay. So I'm having the durian ice cream, durian pandan.
Is this one you tried
And
already,
I
right?
tried that one. Why did they have all the durian? Deep fried durian, served with durian ice cream, durian cheese tart. I have that one. That's the bowl.
You don't want
I don't want the bowl. I want the durian has sandwich. What else? You want more?
It's okay.
Here. Vanilla. How about the chocolate one? Can I try that one? The chocolate. Yeah. The vanilla chocolate cake. Oh my gosh, I'm eating a lot of dessert. Just trying to taste it. Put it there. Okay. Okay, that's it. Oh, I don't have the spoon for this one.
Do you want this?
Yeah, can you get it for me? Let's have the Godiva. So do you have this Godiva? Okay. Can you? I don't want the white chocolate. Let's try the chocolate ice cream first. Yeah, this one.
Here?
Yeah. But how can I hold it? Can you hold it first? Let me hold it for you.
No.
Okay, can you do it?
I want one more.
Okay, so you can have two. One is Godiva chocolate and I'll try later on the white one. Okay. Okay, so we have I think their specialty is all about durian. Yeah. All durian pandan durian ice cream, fried durian, etc. Yeah, we didn't get the... Hi everyone, this is Dr. Mike. I'm here at the market at Hotel Icon because this hotel or this restaurant, according to review, it's one of the best buffet in Hong Kong and have won for several years. I think 7 or 9 years consecutively they've been winning as the best all-you-can-eat or buffet restaurant in Hong Kong at the market here at Hotel Icon. So this one is it's a Godiva ice cream, right? And I've had it. And then there's people would be thinking I've been eating a lot of dessert, a lot of sweets. So we have the durian ice cream, pandan durian, but durian cheese tart, and deep fried durian. And this one is really good. It's dark chocolate. I eat a lot. Okay, once in a while. So I'm celebrating. Oh, you haven't. I'm celebrating birthday with my friend here at Hotel Icon. So for the people out there, if you wish to go here, you can visit this place. Is it expensive to have a buffet here? Reasonable dinner. How much is it? How much is without a discount? Without a discount, how much is it?
Around 800.
Around 800 Hong Kong dollars. Without a discount, plus 10%. Plus 10%. Hong Kong dollars plus 10%. If you want to eat here, dinner. Anyway, kakain muna ako mamaya na. Once again, this is Dr. Mike. Thank you so much. Hope you like this one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Malay nyo, makasama ko kayong kumain dito soon. Bye! So sabi nila, puro durian daw dito. So I've tried this durian ice cream. And it's my first time to have this durian ice cream. It's good. Eh, mali lang ang aking spoon. Spoon talaga gamit. Kasi ayoko nang tumayo. Ito masarap siya. Yung mga taga Davao, taga sa atin na kumakain ng durian. Hindi po ako mahilig sa durian, but this one nakain ko siya sa ice cream. Masarap siya. I want to try this one. Tart naman siya. Cheese tart with durian din. And this one is good. The cheese durian. I don't know. Baka specialty lang nila durian this month. Kaya puro durian sila. And if you want to eat in this restaurant, sabi nila, nung nakausap namin dito, at least 2 months ang booking. Kasi medyo maraming tao. Mahirap mag-book. Gusto ko pa. Masarap yung dessert nila. Ibang klaseng dessert.
Particular. How about this one?
Fried Durian. This one is sweet. You are right. I thought this one, it's durian inside. It seems durian and cheese inside. I think this one is good. Kanina, hindi ko to pinapansin. Pero isa sa pinakamasarap na natikman ko to. Deep fried durian. I like this one. The deep fried durian. Wait, tikman ko pa yung isa. Nagre-reklamo na yung aking taga-video. This one is pandan. Pandan roll durian din. Huh? About this durian thing, I like this one, the fried one. Kaya kung pumunta kayo dito, huwag niyong kalimutan tikman ice cream durian at saka itong deep fried durian na to. Part ng dessert ito. Sulit siya, matamis siya, masarap siya. Try nyo siya. So again, kain na po. This is the durian ice cream with a deep fried durian and creamy durian thing. So once again, this is Dr. My. Thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also sa aking Health Talk by Doc My Facebook page. Once again, I'm here at the market here at the Hotel for the buffet. See you again